Hello again, everybody. Hey, I got an idea. Let's paint. Let's paint a painting. I've got a canvas open. It's 10 by 8, 150 pixels per inch. And let's just pick a color here. Oh, that's probably okay. Right there. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm on a layer. I'm starting off on a layer. And let's just put some color in. I'm using crisscross strokes, and I'm varying my pressure as I'm going along here. And I would suggest that you run this brush as big as you can for your computer. And I'm lightening up a little bit here. And I'm going to go back in here and go a little darker on the top row. And now I'm using light pressure. We're going to just add light color now. Maybe lighten up the color. This is going to just be a simple painting, just to use the brushes. I don't know what everyone's level is. Oops. A little too heavy there. Didn't want it that dark. Okay. Now let's take that layer and let's duplicate it. And then this first layer will be water, and that layer will be sky. So you can see we've got two of the same thing right now, but we're going to take the water layer and we're going to come over, let's see, where's it at? It's flip vertical. So we're going to flip it vertical, and then we're going to grab the layer thing, and we're going to pull it down to about there. So there's the water, there's the sky. Now, let's take a blender and let's blend the sky. Nice. Now you can you can blend this as smooth as you want. I'm not going to take the time to blend it real smooth. I just wanted to even it out some. Make my brush a little bigger so I'm not spending all day on blending this. But you can see how nice that blender works here. You can make this real smooth if you want. Now I don't have to change to the water layer to blend that, but I'm going to. Pull that down a little. Okay, go across. Go back to sky. We're going to go across again. Make that nice and smooth. Okay. And there is our sky. I'm going to start another layer. And let's put in some clouds. I'll tell you what, we're going to put in some smoky clouds. I guess about over there. I'm just using real light pressure on those right there. I pressed a little harder here. And we're going to put in some here. And how about something over here? Harder pressure here coming in, going across. Lighter pressure back here. Okay, that's probably enough for clouds. Now we can go back to our blender and we can blend that out a little, set that in nice. Now you want to be careful when you're blending clouds because you can blend them away. Okay, and we're going to call that clouds.